Right. Hello and welcome. We're going to be talking about Command Console today here at Electric Era. I'm Reynolds, VP of Site Implementation and Operations here at Electric Era, and happy to talk to you today about our Command Console platform. So just to start off with a little bit about myself, I've been in the EV industry for about 10 years now, and I previously worked for Duke Energy, where my team led the deployment of over 600 charging stations in the state of Florida and across the Carolinas. And then I went on to Circle K, where my team was responsible for deploying 200 sites in 2 years across our convenience store and fuel retailing footprint here in North America. So really excited to talk about Command Console today. So that is our software platform that we use to operate the chargers, and our customers and site hosts can use to view the data from charging sessions and throughout operations. So this is a really powerful platform. We're a software-led company, and I think it's one of the most exciting things about our offerings is really the comprehensive nature of our software platform and the deep analytics that you can dig into with Electric Era. So let's dive right in. We're just going to take a quick look at the console here today. As a data nerd myself, I am extremely closely monitoring this platform, but we're going to take a look today as you would see it as a customer or site host here. So this is the Plaid Pantry instance, and looking at the landing page here, you've got your overall data. We've got the dashboard here on the left. The top level architecture is the dashboard. You can click through to stations or customize on the left-hand side here. Starting with the dashboard, we've got the overview, which shows all of your top level data, all your summary data from the day. You can also click through to different time periods, so month, year, and life to date. Pretty awesome to see all of the data there. And that's what I really like about this platform. As a operator and somebody who has operated stations and hundreds of stations previously, a lot of the platforms that are out there today don't provide enough simplified and rich data. So there is a lot of data available on pretty much every platform. But really what we've done here with Command Console is to provide everything that you need seamlessly in a simplified fashion, but also the depth of data behind the summary statistics to really give you anything that you need. So digging in a little bit deeper from the overview tab, we can click over through the revenue tab. This lets us look at revenue over the course of the same time period. So over the course of the day here, this is today that we're looking at right now, and we can look at any day previously through these drop downs, or we can go into the month or year to date view. Clicking through further, we have the transactions view. This is just showing all the transactions that have happened over the last time period that you select here. So this could be today, it could be the month, it could be the year. And then similarly to the previous tabs, you can select any kind of date range that you want as you click through these different time periods. So we can look, there's already been 2 charging sessions today. We're here first thing in the morning, West Coast time, and we've already got 2 pretty solid charging sessions. You can click through to the charging session and look at all kinds of details here in terms of the total revenue, the time period, the battery state of charge that was added, and then also some very in-depth analytics into the session power, session energy, and a lot of those dynamics as well. So a lot of very rich data here. And again, as an operator, I think this is definitely the most powerful platform that I've seen in the industry, and something that provides operators and site hosts with a level of transparency and real-time analytics that's really unmatched elsewhere currently. So that's the transactions page. Then we have the usage page. This is what I look at quite a bit. Really interesting to see this laid out, and just shows you the station uptime, the usage for that station, and then also the remainder of the time, which is just idle time. So this just lays out basically at a very high level how much the stations are being used. And this is really my favorite page, something that I look at quite closely across our whole network on a month-to-month or day-to-day basis, just to see how the stations are doing, how they're being utilized, and you can really tease out trends just by looking at the visualization here. So I think that's pretty cool from an operator standpoint. And then if you want to get even more detailed, we can dig into the dashboard stats here. As a data nerd myself, this is another place that I spend a lot of time, and this can show all of the trends over time. It can compare across different periods. So let's say we want to look at last quarter versus this quarter. You can see here the session statistics are increasing quite strongly over time, going from 227 sessions in Q1 to 788 in Q2, 250% increase. So that's quite strong. And then you can also look at how that evolves over longer periods of time or shorter as well. So 7 days, 30 days, and then custom as well, custom time ranges here and date ranges. So again, just very powerful analytics here right at your fingertips. And that goes from the power, energy, and revenue to the customer loyalty data, and even down into the feedback from the charger UI. So that's directly feeding through from the chargers every day, and you get that in real time as an operator or site host. So we'll leave it there for today. Just a quick overview here, but happy to show you a snapshot of the powerful analytics here that are available to you as a customer site host from Command Console every day in real time, and updated as soon as the charging sessions happen. Thanks a lot for joining. Again, I'm Reynolds, and happy to see you at the next session.